4 years a brave, near tombstone memorial shall hallow his grave. For his bones they are scattered on the rude soil of Spain. For young Jamie Foyers in battle was slain. He's gone for the shipyards that stands on the Clyde. His hammer is idle, his tools laid aside. To the wide deep river young Foyers has gained, to fight by the side of the people of Spain. There was nae his equal at work or at play. He was strong in the Union till his dying day. He was gay up at the football, at the dance he was broad. Oh, young Jamie Foyers was the fleur of them all. He came frae the shipyard, took half his work in clays. Oh, I mind that time well in the lang summer days. He said, "Fairly well, lassie, I'll come home again." But young Jamie Foyers in battle was slain. In the fight for Belchite, he was aye to the fore, and he fought at Gandesa till he couldn't fight no more. He lay o'er his machine gun with a bullet in his brain. And young Jamie Foyers in battle was slain. He lies by the Ebro in far away Spain. He died so that freedom and justice might reign. Remember young Foyers and others of worth, and don't let one fascist be left on this earth. Far distant, lies Foyers a brave, nae tombstone memorial shall hallow his grave. For his bones they are scattered on the roots of